miss all them MLCCs. So you've got to get it right on the edge. Last one. Sit. How much is that weigh?
Over
600.
600 grams.
Right, I've just put the fingers in 60% water and 40% nitric acid. I've got no heat on it. I want to just see how it goes without any heat. I don't want to boil over. But there we've got 1 kilogram of round fingers in solution. I'll give you the next update soon. Oh, it's really fizzing away there. You see all the gold coming off. Eating away at the copper and zinc and releasing that gold foil. Right, I'm giving it a boil, it's all loose. It's still on there, it's just got to be washed off, it's all loose now. So I'm just draining off the old nitrate solution. And then we'll wash these separately. Get any nitrate out of there and then give it a good wash. And we'll collect the gold foils. Gold floating on the top there. Alright, I've got the nitric acid is out now. So this is all the nitric acid with the gold foils in. And here, put the rest into water. And as you can see, full of gold. Beautiful. That's all the fingers are all stripped now, and there is the gold. And now I've just got to refine that into pure gold. It looks a lot, but I don't think it is a lot. So this is the foils that's left. Filled the filter out of them. This is all from 1 kilo of fingers. Let it's so light, it's just foils, so it's going to compact down to nothing. But we'll see what the yield is. I've cleaned it. So next is just going to be that corrosion, nitric acid and hydrochloric acid. Dissolve the gold and drop it out into 24 carat hopefully, and then we get a weight on it. The gold is all dissolved now in that corrosion, and I'm now going to filter it and then we'll drop it. Alright, it's all filtered and it's come out pretty crystal clear. So the gold is in solution now, the pure gold. I'm going to neutralise this and then I'll drop the gold out. Right, I'm just going to put some urea to neutralise the acid. Stop fizzing up now. So that's neutralised now. Right, next we're going to put in the S&B. Putting it straight in today, being a bit lazy. I'm not going to put it into water first and put it in, but it's late. I just want to get it in there and leave it overnight. It should start going a lot of white colour. White. That'll start getting darker and darker. You can see that going brown now. That's the gold starting to drop out. I think I've put enough of everything in there. I think that'll be fine now, just leave that overnight. And we'll come back to it in the morning. There was no heat on that at all, by the way. Right, we'll see what it's like tomorrow. Right, it's the next day. It's all dropped, but I don't think you can see it. We've got some floating gold there. So there's the gold there, it's not a lot. So I'm going to filter that and refine it a second time. Do that now. Right, let's start the second refine now. That's it there, it doesn't look a lot at all. So I'll put it in that corrosion again. Right, this is the second drop. It is super clear now. And I've also added a bit of sulfuric into that when I did it, so I know there's not a lot of gold in there, but it should be good quality. And I'll put some urea in next and drop it. Right, that's filtered now, put it into another beaker. Now I'm going to add some SMB. Pretty sure that's all we need. Not a lot at all. There's no active acid now, so it should drop lovely. I'll come back to it in the morning. This is the next day. It's fully dropped. So I'm going to dry this out and clean it a bit more, and we'll see what we've got. So this is the mud. I've not washed it yet. I'm boiling the kettle now, I'm going to wash it over and over. I always use spring water to wash with. Yeah, that's what you call mud. So that should be 3 nines fine. Right, let's see what the final yield is. Well, I didn't think it would be that much. I thought it was just over a gram. 4.4 grams. 4.4, that's not bad. That's £300 worth. Of pure gold. It's a little tiny bit dirty still, a little tiny bit. It could be 99, 98, 99. Just going to do one more refine later on, but that's after 2 refines. 4.4, 4.5.